Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMM PTE NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohit. Now in today's video, I am going to demonstrate live in front of you as to how to type a perfect 90 essay in the real PTE exam. I would be picking up one of the recent exam essay that was recommended by one of you. Would be using that same essay. We would be planning the essay. We would be generating the ideas on the spot, and then I would be typing down the essay using the same exact template that we recommend to all of you. Same template, ideas generated on the spot, typing down the essay, having a timer in front of you, so that at the end of 20 minutes you can see that how long it took for me to type the complete essay, and how can you make sure that even if you give the exam tomorrow, you can still end up getting a perfect score by just following the way that I implement in this particular video. So without wasting any further ado, let's dive straight into the essay. Alright guys, so this was the essay that I was referring to. Exam question, and the question says, in the past 100 years, there have been many inventions such as antibiotics, airplanes and computers. What do you think is the most important of them? Why? Greatest invention in the last 100 years, medicine, science, or technology? Now by just looking at it, I can already see that it's a one topic essay because there's no other topic that they have mentioned. They're not comparing anything. Obviously it's not a problem and solution because they aren't talking about any sort of problem being happening, any issue. Basically just saying that there's been many inventions out there, which is the most important. Now here they have already given us the examples. In the exam you may get the same essay but no examples in them, but that's perfectly fine. It's very common word, inventions. Invention can be anything. Computers, airplanes, antibiotics, or you can think of any other examples, the inventions that have been made: telephones, mobile phones, gadgets, computers, iPads, any invention. Just pick up anything, whichever you feel is the easier one, and whichever comes in your mind first, just go with that. Do not start thinking about the ideas for 5 minutes. Do not start thinking about which invention you're going to pick for 5 minutes and then go ahead. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead with computers. Easy one. Now I've started the timer already. So what I'm going to do is I would be starting. Now what I'll do in the exam is I won't start thinking about the ideas straight away. I've already memorized my template. I'll start typing down with the template straight away, and I'll come off with the ideas straight away on the spot. And whatever comes in my mind first, that would be my idea. I'll go with the easiest ones. So I'll start with the importance of, that's my template. Next word is topic. Now you can download our template. I would be linking that down in the description. Have the template in front of you so that you can better understand this video. How am I framing my essay? So the importance of topic. Now what's my topic? Inventions. So I'll just say the importance of inventions. That's it. Which was always debatable, has now become more controversial. That's it. So this is my template sentence, nothing else. I've only included one word, which is inventions. Afterwards, the next sentence, the substantial. So the reason I'm explaining and typing as well alongside, so you can actually get to know what I would as a person also do in the real exam when I'm typing my essay. Of course, it's going to take me a bit longer time than my usual 13-14 minutes because I'm also explaining alongside. But in the exam, it doesn't take me more than 13-14 minutes because I just follow the basics. I just stick with my basics. The substantial influence of, again, topic, inventions. Repeat the word, doesn't matter as long as you just copy the template exactly word by word because it's already tested and proven. You would be getting a full score with the template, provided your ideas make sense, provided you have got at least some content in there to get you a perfect score in this particular topic. Trend on inventions in recent years. Done. Third sentence, this essay will elaborate both advantages and disadvantages. If I see that I've made a spelling mistake, I'll correct it straight away. If I miss that, anyways, I'm going to proofread at the very end. Both advantages and disadvantages of the inventions and thus will lead to a logical or reasoned conclusion, anything. Conclusion. That's my body paragraph. In the exam, I'll just press enter once. Now I'm doing it twice, just so it's easier for you to see that where the next paragraph starts. At the outset, there are numerous reasons why inventions. Now, if I just leave it like that, why inventions, it's incomplete sentence. So I'll just make a small sentence here. At the outset, there are numerous reasons why inventions are important, but the most important lies in the fact that now we gotta give first idea. Now, since this is a positive sentence, inventions are important, so we have to mention a positive idea for inventions. What I say in my all of my videos, keep it simple, keep it straight. Anything positive about inventions, but the most important lies in the fact that inventions are very, I'll keep it very simple because vocab is already taken care by my template. Inventions are very beneficial in the progress of the world. I just made it up on the spot because that's a common sense thing. Inventions are obviously beneficial in the progress of the world. That's it. That's my idea. One sentence. Then it says, for example, now you can mention the example of, let's say, computers. Computers have changed the way humans think, and it has helped everyone achieve and progress so much in every field. Let's say like this. In conclusion, so I conclude paragraph 1. Inventions are very crucial. That's it. I'm keeping it very simple because if I keep the sentences simple, I make no mistakes in grammar, no mistakes in spellings, and if I memorize my template well, it is already giving me full score for my spellings, grammar, and vocabulary anyway. So I would keep my content extremely simple. Even if I feel that I know many good words, I'll prefer keeping my sentences extremely simple. My body paragraph 1 done. So I'm not counting how many words I've typed right now. At the end, I'll see if I have to add or omit any words, but that's towards the very end. Second body paragraph. Nevertheless, now obviously it's a negative paragraph. Nevertheless means opposite. There remain some drawbacks which can overwhelm the potential influence of the topic, but the most alarming one lies in the fact that idea 2. Now I need to think of something negative about computers. I can say first of all, negative about inventions. Now you can say that inventions can backfire as well if they fall in the wrong hands. Obviously, if someone else got the hand of these inventions and misuse them, obviously they can prove to be a disaster as well. For example, I'll use the same computers, but now I can think of something negative about computers. Let's say, for example, if someone hacks the computer, it can lead to a huge leak of personal data which can harm so many individuals. That's it. I'm just thinking whatever is coming in my mind first, which makes sense and which is simple for me to understand, and job done. In conclusion, inventions can prove harmful as well. Body paragraph 2 done. Yes. Next I have got is conclusion. From what has been discussed above, it can be concluded that this is a debatable topic, and the arguments listed above have created divided opinions. So that's just a rough work that I've written. Now, this is what I do in the exam. Once I've written down my essay, I'll count how many words I've written. In the exam, obviously, you will have the word counter on the bottom left. So you'll see, I can see that I've written 202 words. Not bad, but I always prefer keeping above 270. So now I can just stretch my sentences out. How? I can go with, let's say, starting with here, the importance of inventions. Here I can't add much. Let's say on this trend on inventions in recent years. Okay, first paragraph I really can't add much. In the second paragraph, let's elaborate it out. Why inventions are important, but inventions are very beneficial in the progress of the world, as it can help in various fields ranging from scientific field to the teaching field. I'm just adding few words. For example, computers have changed the way humans think, and it has helped everyone achieve and progress so much in every field that computers have become the backbone of our society now. Okay, now let's see how many words I've written now. As you can see, the words are increasing. I'm at 227 words. Nevertheless, there remain some drawbacks which can overwhelm the potential influence of the topic, but the most alarming one lies in the fact that inventions can backfire as well if they fall in the wrong hands, as anyone can misuse the power of the new inventions. For example, if someone hacks the computer, it can lead to a huge leak of personal data, which can harm so many individuals and companies, and can even lead to major disasters ranging from someone, or let's say, let's just keep it like that, and can even lead to major disasters. In conclusion, inventions can prove harmful as well if they fall in the wrong hands. Okay, now let's see how many words I've written down, and right now I am at 253. From what has been discussed above, it can be concluded that this is a debatable topic, and the arguments listed above have created divided opinions. Prefer not adding anything in the conclusion because it's a standalone sentence. Let's see where else we can add the information. The importance of inventions. Let's say I can say the importance of inventions being, or I'll just add importance of inventions. Let's keep it like that. At the outset, there are numerous reasons why inventions are important, but the most important lies in the fact that inventions are very beneficial in the progress of the world. For example, computers have changed the way humans think, and it has helped everyone achieve and progress so much in every field that computers have become the backbone of society. In conclusions, inventions are very crucial, and they can help the world become better due to its potential. Okay, now let's see how many words I've written. Now I'm at 265, so 5 more words, minimum 270 just for a full score. In conclusion, inventions can prove harmful as well if they fall in the wrong hands. Or let's keep it like that, if they fall in the wrong hands. For example, if someone hacks the computer, it can lead to huge leak of personal data, which can harm so many individuals and companies, can even lead to major disasters. And it was proven due to the terrorist attack in 2011. Now see, even if that did not happen, that's fine. Computer is not going to cross check your facts, So once you have written, as long as it's grammatically correct and as long as the spellings are correct, you should be getting a full score because you're using an exceptional template with simple and to the point content. And right now, if you see, I've written 276 words, which is more than enough. And my last few minutes, whatever is remaining of it, I'm just going to look at my spelling mistakes that I might have done. I will proofread my essay again and again to see if I've made any mistake. So right now I can see in conclusion, inventions are very crucial and they can help the word become better due to its potential. According to me, it just looks all right. But in the exam, I'll make sure I'll proofread this essay again and again. If I've made any mistakes, I'll correct them straight away. It all depends upon how well I have memorized my template, because once I've memorized my template well, I cannot go wrong. That's for sure. So memorize the template well. That's my main tip. And do not go with the fancy ideas. Look how simple my content is. Look how easy content, how easy ideas I have used, because I know my template is already doing the majority of the job for me. As long as my main ideas are simple and make sense, as long as I've written the word limit right, no spelling mistake, no grammar mistakes, I should be all good. So this is how you can also do a perfect 90 essay. It is roughly about 5 marks out of 90. So people who are aiming for 65 or 79, why take these marks for granted? If you can just follow these things that I've explained to you and type a perfect score essay in the exam, so that at least you know that 5 marks out of your writing are already secured. If you need any one-on-one support from us, me or Mohit, you can get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook. We do run one-on-one consultations for PTE and NAATI as well, and also the coaching for NAATI. So if you need 30 minutes or 1 hour with us live one-on-one, where you can ask us any questions if you have, score report analysis, if you want to get feedback on your speaking or any other module, anything and everything can be arranged. Feedback on your mock test as well, we also do that. So pretty much anything, any support that you need in regards to your PT, that can be arranged. You can give us a text on Instagram or Facebook. You can search for NAATI PT NAATI, or the links are there in the description. Also, if you need the prediction file for NAATI, which has got the exam dialogues, the most repeated exam dialogues, we keep on updating that as well for NAATI Hindi, Punjabi and Gujarati, all 3 languages. Again, you can get in touch with us, same Instagram or Facebook, and we can take the conversation ahead. If you have any sort of doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comment down below. And yeah, all the best with your exam if you have got that very soon. Stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one.